Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to discuss these two integrals, right? So here we'll find out the values of these two important integrals by using a direct result, right? So here we'll not find out the values of these two integrals by the usual long method, but we'll use a direct formula to get the values of these two integrals, right? So now if we closely look at these two integrals, then we can easily see that these two integrals or integrals of this kind are similar to this one, that is 0 to infinity. And if we have e raised to minus ax and sine of bx, right? So see, here we have 0 to infinity, here also we have 0 to infinity, and here we have 0 to infinity, right? And in place of the integrand, we have e raised to minus ax. So we see that here the term e raised to minus ax appears, right? And here we have the trigonometric sine function, that is sine 3x, and here we have sine x, right? So let us see what is the direct value of this type of integral. Now let us first compare these two integrals, right? So when we compare this integral with this one, then the value of a is equal to 2. Here we have 2, and the value of b is equal to 3, right? And similarly, if we compare this integral with this one, then the value of a is 1, and the value of b is also equal to 1, right? Because see, here we have e raised to minus x, and this can also be written as minus 1x, and here we have sine x, so sine x can be written as sine 1x, right? So if we compare this one with this one, then the value of a is 1 and the value of b is equal to 1. So now the direct value of this type of integral can be written as b divided by a square plus b square, right? So here we have this fraction where we have b in the numerator, and in the denominator we have a square plus b square, right? So let us apply this formula to get the values of these two integrals, right? So here the value of this integral is b over a square plus b square, so b is 3, and in the denominator we have 2 square plus 3 square, so this is 3 divided by 4 plus 9, so this is 3 over 13, right? Now in the second integral we have b is equal to 1, and in the denominator we have a square plus b square, so a is 1, so we have 1 square plus 1 square, and this is 1 over 1 plus 1, that is equal to 1 over 2, right? So this is how we can directly find out the values of these type of integrals by using this formula, right? Because here the integrand is e raised to minus ax times sine of bx.